Welcome back to my channel, Click and Cart. Let's dive into today's must-have kitchen gadget. Number 1. Discover the Ingenious Modern Glass Tea Infuser Teapot, the ultimate one-touch Gongfu tea experience. Simply press, steep, and pour for mess-free, perfectly brewed loose-leaf tea every time. Crafted from heat-resistant borosilicate glass with a 316 stainless steel infuser, it ensures flavorful tea without any dregs. The double-walled mug keeps your hands safe while sipping hot tea. Compact and stylish, it comes with a portable carrying kit, making it perfect for home, office, or gifting. Elevate your tea ritual with Ingenious, smart, effortless, and elegant tea enjoyment. Number 2. Take your pizza game to the next level with the inventions sliding pizza peel. Featuring an innovative sliding mechanism and ultra-slim 1mm stainless steel design, it makes lifting and transferring pizza effortless and precise. The non-stick surface ensures your pizza slides off smoothly, while the ergonomic beechwood handle keeps you safe from heat and gives you ultimate control. Perfect for home chefs and pros alike, it works with pizzas, bread, pies, and pastries. With its 14.96-inch by 12.6-inch panel and smart design, you can bake like a pro, delicious, evenly baked results every time. Make pizza night fun, safe, and mess-free with inventions sliding pizza peel. Number 3. Tidy up your space with the Grow Forward 14-piece bamboo drawer organizer set. Perfect for your kitchen, bathroom, office, vanity, or desk, these eco-friendly organizers keep everything in its place. Crafted from 100% solid bamboo, they're biodegradable, water-resistant, and non-slip, making your drawers look neat while being kind to the environment. The set includes 4 assorted sizes for versatile organization, from cosmetics and jewelry to utensils and stationery. Minimalist, durable, and thoughtfully designed, these bamboo organizers are not just practical, they're a stylish, sustainable solution for every drawer. Number 4. Meet the Mystery House Compact Cold Brew Coffee Maker, your new secret to smooth, rich, and refreshing cold brew right at home. Crafted from durable BPA-free tritan, this 40-ounce pitcher brews up to 7 cups of pure coffee, thanks to its 350 mesh ultrafine filter that keeps every sip clean and residue-free. Featuring built-in measurement scales for perfect coffee-to-water ratios and a leak-proof, easy-clean design, brewing has never been this effortless. Chill, brew, and enjoy barista-quality flavor with Mystery House, where precision meets perfection. Number 5. Meet the Crystal Brew 2L Clear Glass Simmer Pot, the ultimate kitchen multitasker. Perfect for pasta, soups, stews, baby food, or even stove potpourri, this pot combines style and function in one crystal-clear design. Made from premium borosilicate glass, it's heat-resistant, lead-free, and BPA-free, letting you cook safely while watching every simmer. The anti-scald handles and clip-on strainer make cooking effortless and mess-free. Safe for gas, electric, and infrared stoves, plus oven, microwave, and dishwasher-friendly, this simmer pot does it all. Cook beautifully, live clearly, with Crystal Brew. Number 6. Get creative with the Wilton Candy Melts Melting Pot. Perfect for making chocolate-covered strawberries, pretzels, cake pops, and more, right at home. With 2 temperature settings and easy pour spouts, it's ideal for dipping, drizzling, and decorating without the mess. The Cool Touch base and safety light indicator make every use worry-free. The removable silicone insert is dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. Durable, easy to use, and perfect for any dessert lover, Wilton makes candy melting fun and effortless. Number 7. Meet the Quintessence 7-piece non-stick bakeware set, your all-in-one baking solution for cakes, cookies, muffins, and more. This complete set includes a round and square cake pan, loaf pan, muffin pan, cookie sheet, roast pan, and cooling rack, all made from heavy-duty carbon steel that resists warping and ensures even heating. Fire. The long-lasting non-stick coating delivers effortless food release and easy cleanup, while the stackable design saves precious kitchen space. Dishwasher safe and built to last, Kitesensu makes baking easier, cleaner, and more fun. Number 8. Introducing the Culinameter 1 by Culinatech, the next-generation 700-foot wireless meat thermometer built for precision cooking. With dual sensors, it monitors both internal and ambient temperatures, perfect for beef, lamb, turkey, or BBQs. The 100% wire-free design and Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity give you up to 700 feet of range, while the LCD booster screen or Culinatech mobile app let you control and monitor your cook from anywhere. Enjoy chef-level accuracy, smart alarms, and perfect results every time, whether you're grilling, roasting, or smoking. Culinameter 1, smarter cooking made simple. Number 9. Meet the 2025 Upgrade Bagel Slicer by Piclohas, the perfect way to slice your bagels, buns, and bread safely and evenly every time. Crafted from 100% natural bamboo, this eco-friendly slicer features 2 adjustable thickness settings, a guided slot for perfect cuts, and a safe half-moon separator to keep your fingers protected. The non-slip silicone base ensures stability, while the removable guard makes cleaning effortless. No knife included, just precision, style, and safety in one smart tool. Perfect as a thoughtful gift for home chefs, bakers, and bagel lovers alike. Number 10. Cut of meat. Tired of waiting hours for frozen food to thaw? Meet the Blazin' Thaw Premium Defrosting Tray, the fastest, safest way to defrost your meat naturally. High voltage. Crafted from premium-grade aluminum alloy, this tray uses advanced thermal conductivity to thaw frozen meat, fish, or veggies up to 5 times faster. No microwave, no electricity, no hot water needed. Fire Snowflake. Its matte black, non-stick surface keeps your counter clean and your food fresh. Perfect for busy families, barbecue lovers, and everyday cooks. Poultry leg meat on bone. Upgrade your kitchen with the Blazin' Thaw Defrosting Tray, natural, fast, and mess-free. Fork and knife. Number 11. Hot dog. Make your mornings faster and tastier with the Star Blue Sausage Roll Maker. This smart, compact appliance lets you prepare 4 delicious sausage rolls or snacks in just minutes, perfect for breakfast, parties, or quick bites anytime. 3 o'clock sparkles. Featuring a non-stick coating and cool touch handle, it's safe, easy to clean, and simple to use. Plus, it comes with a free recipe ebook to inspire endless tasty creations, from sausage rolls to pies, desserts, and more. Croissant Chocolate Bar. With its sleek design and powerful 850W performance, the Star Blue Sausage Roll Maker is your go-to kitchen companion for quick, delicious treats. Fork and knife. Number 12. Start your mornings right with the modern Innovations 4-cup egg poacher pan. Made from durable stainless steel with non-stick Teflon cups and a tempered glass lid, this pan delivers perfect poached eggs every time, no mess, no stress. Steam cooks your eggs evenly while the Stay Cool handle and silicone spatula make serving effortless. Versatile and dependable, it doubles as a multi-use cooking pan once the insert is removed, perfect for everyday meals. Dishwasher safe, sleek, and easy to use, the modern Innovations egg poacher pan makes breakfast a breeze. Number 13. Elevate your snacking and presentation with the Bosca Cheese Curler Amigo, the original. Perfect for Tete de Moines cheese or even chocolate, this premium curler lets you create delicate, delicious curls for snacks, desserts, or stunning food decorations. Chocolate bar sparkles. Crafted from high-quality beech wood and stainless steel, it combines rustic charm with lasting durability. Easy to use, easy to clean, and built to last, backed by Bosca's 10-year warranty for peace of mind. Add a touch of gourmet elegance to every occasion with the Bosca Cheese Curler Amigo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing finds.